Good afternoon, Jason. It's Simon Allen here. I just thought you might like to see what happens when I put the new set of memory sticks into my machine. So, as I said, it was delivered on the 21st. Today is the 22nd, and it's roughly about 2:45 in the afternoon here in the UK, and I'm just about to press the button, start thing. So here we go. Right, switch it on, and as you can no doubt see, we have a post. So it looks as though this problem's finished for now. So I will say thank you very much, and please get in touch if you've got any questions.